friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. Welcome back to Kesaria Manufactures. I hope all are safe and doing great. Today also I'm going to show you new live warehouse experience of Kesaria Manufactures, how the warehouse is busy and executives are busy. Here you can see the colorful bunches of boxes of Diwali occasions of the festival season. So manufacturers are getting manufactured new collections by the bulk orders of the customer, where the shop is getting the sales keep on moving for the different varieties, and the production and the warehouse, the collections keep getting stock and moving to dispatch, moving to shop. Customers are purchasing by online orders. Keep watching this video and you can also have an ideas how to tie up with a manufacturer with the bulk quantity varieties under one roof. You can also purchase and you can also start your clothing business. Friends, as I said, today I'm at the warehouse experience. Here you can see bunches of silk varieties at my background, printed sarees, here designer lehengas, here you can see the designer bunches of bridal lehengas as well as party wear, side wear the customer has ordered. These are all going to dispatch it, and the stonework designer boutique varieties of sarees, all these are designer boutique wear sarees. And here the segment of only cotton sarees of printed collections. You can see the multiple varieties of cotton sarees, and here something unique I want to show you. There you can see the trolley is going with a bunches of boxes. It's going to dispatch actually. Let's see what are what these boxes are. Here I can see those boxes which is packed already. These are all looks like a sweet boxes when I talk about the Diwali sweet boxes, but it's not a Diwali sweet boxes. It's a Diwali collections of sarees which are packed in a box varieties. How beautiful it's designed. The customer has purchased. Here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Set to set, the packed customer bulk order has placed to gift to his customers and to keep at his business. You can also purchase this bulk quantity of minimum 300 pieces or more than about 300. The silk, especially the occasions of this festival, silk and rapier silk more it goes. That's why customer has ordered. In this box, we have also arranged a line beautifully designer bunches of boxes. Here also you can see all designer bunches of boxes. In this, only silk and rapier silk is going on the occasion of Diwali. And here you can see the bunches of handloom varieties of double bedsheets, single bedsheets of new unique varieties. Customer has purchased mix of collections of printed sari. Here also quantities of bedsheets. You can see here multiple designs, exclusive varieties for this season. And at here you can see all the fancy designer Banarasi sarees of bunches. Only customer has varieties purchased for the boutique varieties. And if I talk about this handloom collections, these are Razai collections. These are the winter has started up now, November, September. When completes October, the Razai is almost a handloom retailers given a bulk quantity of these collections. Before getting out of stock, you can also purchase such exclusive varieties. Only from Kesaria Manufacturers under one roof you can also buy. And one more thing I'm going to show you. Here are the beautiful bunches of boxes has been arranged by the customer which has already ordered, and it is going to the dispatch, and it's getting before getting its billing. The process is by quantity, and by the quantity of the boxes, number of collections, the customer what they purchase, they cross check and it goes to billing. So for this Diwali occasions, you can also give a bulk quantity minimum 300, as I said, above more than 300 also we take bulk quantity of order for the Diwali special occasions. As I say, Diwali is the biggest festival where entire worldwide they celebrate everyone, right? To make your customers happy for this festival Diwali season, you can also purchase like this boxes, gift boxes, add into your business to have a multiple profit. So these collections are beautiful. So I complete this video, the warehouse, how the busy the executives and the getting new collections and keep moving into the shop, and the customers are purchasing by online order, but sitting from home. We do provide COD orders, we do provide international pre-advance booking also. You can mix and match, you can purchase. So next video I'll come up with many more new business information videos. Till then, keep supporting, subscribe the channel. Let me know comment box from which city you are watching the video. Please share the link with everyone who is really interested to start a clothing business, saree business to tie up. So next video I'll come up with many more business information with new products. Follow the website page and the social media pages for your information. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.